So guys, if you want to make a void in solid model, your model must be in a group. Okay guys, so here you can see that this is the organic model that I have used FFD tool to make it. You can check the model is solid or not by using a solid inspector. Okay, so now I am going to make a simple rectangle box, okay, and make it in a group, and now I am going to place over this model guys. Okay, so after placing here I am going to adjust little bit using a scale tool. Now you need a solid tool guys. Okay, so right click over here and just bring it solid tool in front of the computer screen and just select your first model, then select this option and then select on a second model. Okay, after selecting, your model will be intersected in a three parts. Okay, so first one that I have deleted and second and a third one are you can see on my screen guys. So this is the simple method. So guys, if you really like my content, please subscribe my channel and share between a SketchUp user so that they can get benefit. Thank you guys, have fun and see you next tutorial. Thank you.